Hello. Welcome to Shaun Academy. Today in this video we're going to learn how to start a CPA marketing business. My name is Sarah and I will be your instructor in this video. Now, before we start a CPA marketing business, let's take a closer look at what goes into starting one and how we can make yours profitable. When it comes to online marketing, your return on investment is critical to your success. Let us take a look at digital advertising. After investing your hard-earned marketing dollars in Google or Facebook ads, you must rigorously improve your campaigns, testing, tweaking, and hoping that all of your clicks eventually convert to sales. It's difficult to maintain a strong enough return on investment to scale your marketing efforts once you factor in gross profit margin, shipping costs, and other expenses. What if, instead of focusing your digital ad spend on awareness metrics, like impressions and clicks, you could focus on real business results like leads, conversions, and sales? This is where CPA marketing comes in. CPA marketing can be the most scalable and profitable way to monetize your website. Unlike other marketing tactics that require you to pay to advertise your brand with no guarantee of sales, CPA marketing allows you to pay only after the sale occurs at a rate you set. For example, if you sell a $100 watch and pay your CPA partners a 10% commission after the sale, you only spend $10 on marketing and get a 10:1 return on ad spend, ROAS. That's a sizable profit. CPA marketing, also known as cost per action marketing, is a type of affiliate marketing model in which the affiliate receives a commission when a specific action is completed. Making a purchase, getting a quote, watching a video, or filling out a form are all examples of lead actions. These campaigns are then promoted by CPA networks through affiliates. Each time a referred visitor completes the action or offer, CPA affiliates are paid a set fee. In 5 simple steps, here's how to get started with CPA marketing. 1. Develop a website. If you do not already have a website, you should think about creating one. While you can apply to CPA networks without a website, having one increases your chances of acceptance. 2. Increase the number of visitors to your website. To be successful with CPA marketing, your website must receive a significant amount of traffic. The best way to go about it is to learn search engine optimization and incorporate targeted keywords into your content. This takes time to gain traction, but once you rank for these keywords, you can expect to receive a lot of organic traffic. You can also use your social media handles to promote your website, or you can create YouTube videos with a link to your website. 3. Pick a niche. Choose a niche based on the content you create for your website and your target audience. Your niche is the market you want to enter and the products you want to sell to your target audience. Fitness, health, beauty, sports, and gaming are some examples of niches. 4. Create an offer. When your website begins to receive significant traffic, it's time to research advertisers who sell products in your niche and study their recommendations. When you find a good deal, make sure it's available for your country and traffic type. Furthermore, examine the product or company's landing page to ensure that it is neat, presentable, and appealing. Don't accept any offers that appear shady. 5. Become a member of the CPA network. When you find an offer that interests you, you must join the network where it is posted. You'll need to fill out application forms for this. Even if you're just starting out as a CPA marketer, be truthful in your application and avoid making unrealistic claims. 6. Construct your website around the offer. You can promote the offer on your website once you've been accepted into the network. Market the product in a way that does not appear sleazy and does not turn off your target audience. You can, for example, avoid banner advertising. You can begin your journey with CPA marketing by following the steps outlined above. If you found this video useful, please show your appreciation by clicking the like button. Also, let us know in the comments if you'd like us to make a long, comprehensive follow-up video to learn more about how to start a CPA marketing business. Also, don't forget to click the subscribe button to see more videos from Shaun Academy, an extension for education.